Hey folks, Adam here, and I can't wait to show you this BLACK+DECKER 20 volt max handheld vacuum. You know I love BLACK+DECKER, and I've been using BLACK+DECKER tools for over a decade. All their battery powered stuff is fantastic. But this one is next level. It is cordless. I picked one out in gray. Now you can also pick one up with a replacement filter, but I really like how easy it is to pivot. It's got a flip up brush. It's got a wide mouth, extra powerful suction. And yeah, let me go ahead and demonstrate some different examples. Now, BLACK+DECKER's been making power tools for probably 100 years, but they were one of the first big companies to get into lithium ion batteries. And the reason you like lithium ion batteries is because they don't have that battery memory that kind of decreases each time you use it. These batteries are meant to last. Now, this BLACK+DECKER product is available with Amazon Prime, and we know all the benefits of Amazon Prime. It's got an easy-to-empty dirt bowl and a washable filter. Yeah, washable filter, that's going to save you in the long run. Also, I like the fact that this is bagless. It goes without saying that it's just more convenient to live in a bagless world that you're not always replacing bags. Also, the crevice tool is great for getting deep into couches, cushions, your car, things of the sort. This is a perfect vacuum for inside your car and for doing those seat cushions and things. It's going to do a great job. The battery holds for a very long period of time. And yeah, let me show off the pivoting nozzle as well. So here's what the listing says about the item, but yeah, keep checking out this up-close footage and everything we have to show you with it. But it says the Dustbowl capacity is 15 ounces, which is pretty significant. That's easy if you're like cleaning out couches, cleaning out cars, things of the sort. The Lithium technology is a strong suction and fade-free power. Exclusive pivoting nozzle means huge power and compact size. High-performance suction capability, has a replaceable filter. Cyclonic spin really pulls up that dirt for great suction. You can really do spots on the carpet, all sorts of stuff with this. And it has 3-stage filtration, which is going to be fantastic. Now, every area, this thing is getting nearly a 5-star rating in suction power. It's used for stairs. This is perfect for stairs. The quality material, the durability, and the battery life, all nearly 5-star average. I personally love the overall quality of BLACK+DECKER power tools, vacuums, home goods. I've had similar products from BLACK+DECKER for over 12 years now, and they just won't wear out. They will not wear out, and that is a nice aspect of BLACK+DECKER. Also, just the overall quality here, the design is fantastic, and I like it when you get something that is built to last. BLACK+DECKER, they just care about their brand and their brand name, their image, so they're not going to be producing inferior products. Powerful products, perfect every time. All right, folks, my name is Adam. I'm here with Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products that we truly, truly love. And guess what? I love this, and I'm sure you're going to love it as well. Across the board, I have one, Watson has one, his family has one as well, and guess what? We all use them. They're great for cleaning out the car. They're great for those steps. That pivoting head is great for cleaning off shelves and things above your head. And it's also got a large washable dirt bowl that you can just run under the sink. Okay, the 15-ounce dirtless dirt bowl and filter are removable for easy cleaning. Just put them in the sink, rinse them out, and you're good to go. All right, folks, if you're asking me if you should pick it up, my answer is heck yes, you should. Go ahead and get one. Get that gray. You're going to love it. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.